we'll guide you through how to use the Trello free plan, perfect for organizing your tasks and projects effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello's website at trello.com. Once there, you'll want to either log in with your existing account or sign up for free if you're new. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Trello dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create New Board button. You'll be prompted to give your board a name and choose a background color or image. This helps in personalizing your workspace. Once your board is created, you'll see a blank canvas with a few default lists. These lists are columns where you'll organize your tasks. You can rename these lists by clicking on the list title, and you can add more lists by clicking on Add Another List. To add a task, which Trello calls a card, click on Add a Card under any list. Name your card something descriptive, like Write Report or Plan Meeting. After that, click on the card to open it. Here you can add more details such as descriptions, due dates, checklists, and even attach files. You can move cards between lists by simply dragging and dropping them, which is great for tracking progress like moving a task from to do to done. If you need to invite team members to collaborate, click on the Invite button at the top of your board and enter their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation to join your board and can start collaborating immediately. With the free plan, you can create unlimited cards and boards, but remember there are limits to power-ups and file attachments. Power-ups are integrations with other apps like Google Drive or Slack, and they can enhance your workflow. While the free plan allows for one power-up per board, it's a good idea to choose the one that offers the most value for your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.